This is Project Gravette, an E.C.D Custom 110. Gravette is painted in a full gloss white with silver and black accents all round. Gravette sits on 18-inch special edition sawtooth wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 4-point front roll cage, a silver metal steering guard, LED light bar in the front and 2 LED work lights in the rear. Inside, Gravette features a Carn-style steering wheel with all American series gauges, 2 Puma modular heated and ventilated front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row and 4 jump seats in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in a silver, horizontal stitch Chatham Phantom leather. Project Gravette is powered by our 6.2 litre 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features our modern conveniences such as the JL audio sound system, wireless charging and numerous USB points throughout the vehicle. Project Gravette is an extremely striking vehicle.